Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. Today, three coins that I would buy because I think they have more potential to the top side than other cryptos. Yeah, there's a lot of cryptos. Yeah, maybe I would say between 50 and 100 cryptos that are really good. I select 25 of them um, in my gem videos. So this is another video in which I select free coins and free cryptos in which I think they will outperform the next bull cycle. So first we start with SKALE. For most of you is SKALE a disappointment, but for me is SKALE a really good opportunity here to make profits. Yeah, you can see this is the negative channel. Yeah, and we will go out of this or we are at the moment out of this channel. And for us, even if the price is going here to the downside, something like that, no matter for us, because um, the negative area will end, and that means once we are going here to the downside in direction of maybe 10 cent, 15 cent, um, but I think 18 cent is also possible here. If this once happened, then we finish this and then we will go here to the top side. No matter here, if we go short term here to the top side, you have to look here long term. What happens here long term? And if I think what will happen here, then I would say we will see something like that. Yeah, and then we will ending this year in this area. Yeah, not so much interesting, and we will stay here at these levels. But next year, yeah, I think we will see here a huge volume to the top side. Yeah, something like that. I think this year you can forget this year, because if we get something like that, if you look here, March to June, these are 3 months um, to end the cycle. Then we need here 3 to 6 months to make this year. The head and the right shoulder is um, at the beginning of next year, I think. Yeah, so that we could say, okay, we make here this move, and the big bull run is in this area. So I think we could imagine as this. If you look to the Bitcoin price, you can see Bitcoin price is also not the best here, so that we will test here lower levels. Yeah. Let's check. This is my first candidate here. I think we have here the opportunity to make here a lot of rising of the price, and SKALE is one of them. So we're looking to a Coti. High interesting, highly interesting, because if something goes from 6 cent to 60 cent, 10 times higher, then we have to look more in detail. We will come back to the downside. Um, I think test the low levels here, but then I think same scenario as SKALE. We will go here sideways, make here left shoulder head and right shoulder pattern. We will test some levels here, yeah, and then we will make here this move here to the downside. This is not the detail analysis. Yeah? This is only a direction. Yeah, if you want really um, details of this analysis, then you have to come on the WAF exclusive club. For example, in which areas you can invest and in which areas is the best opportunity to get in. You can see from the timelining is also the same at the beginning of the next year, April, May, yeah, and then huge rising will happen. I think this time Coti will hit here also 10 times. So I think we could, if I look to this year, we could go in these levels, yeah, nearly $4, because this is not normal here. Um, some people think, okay, it is too expensive here. No, even in these areas is too cheap. Yeah, there's no financial advice. It's only that what I see here that that we have here at Kodia really good potential to the top side. So it is only a theory. Let's look because if you look to a Bitcoin price, let's look here. We have the same situation. I think we will go here to the downside, and it will take time. Yeah, I would say if we make these moves here, that takes time. You can see end of the year, and even in the next year, we are not finished. I think we'll make here something like that. And at the beginning of the year, we could go in this direction, 70,000, and then we have something like that. Yeah, we have to look. It could ending very quick, yeah, because this is not the um, this is not the formation to make a bull run. Yeah, I would say my experience is we make here a short rising to the top side, make a break, yeah, and after the break, if we test here this level 30,000, then it makes sense to go something like that. Yeah, that makes more sense than other formations. Then we will go here to 250,000 or something like that. That is more realistic than you can imagine, because this year, from 2018, you can see the full chart here. Um, this year is no bull run. This is only a pre-step of a bull run, and we will see here this move here to the top side, but then we have to look. Yeah, that makes more sense here. So let's look to Coti. Also, if Bitcoin goes to 250,000 here, here, then I would say we will see also more than the $3. Yeah. So last candidate is Chiliz. High interesting. The Chile will explode. Yeah. You can see also here we'll make also the same situation that we make something like that. Um, we make the sideways here, and then the price will go here to the top side. I would say, let's say, if we make something like that, then we could, at the beginning of the next year, hit here the $3. Yeah, more, more than the $3. Yeah, because um, this is a special formation, and for people who are interested in that, how potential is Chiliz, then you have to come to the WAF exclusive club, because we can find out this easily. Um, that will shock. Chile will shock. This is a type of cryptos that goes from $1 to $200, something like that. The same like BNB and so on. Yeah. So have a nice day.